Hello guys, today I will show you how to make a walk cycle animation in Adobe Flash Professional CS6. As you can see, it's a demo of what I would create, so you can see this Stickman walk. So let's open a new file. I would suggest you to use Adobe 3.0 and for quality video use full high definition resolution. Keep the frame rate 24 as it is used as a standard frame rate for every normal animation unless you're a professional. Select the first frame, turn on onion skin and select brush. You can choose the desired color in properties. For the first frame, draw a V-shaped leg, torso and hands. You can undo the work if you are not satisfied with the drawing. To insert a blank keyframe, use F7, for the copy of the keyframe use F6 and F5 for a keyframe. Turn on onion skin. Now draw the next frame. You need to continue the steps until you reach the copy of the first frame. We will draw the hands after the legs and torso are drawn. Add another blank frame by F7. You can also adjust the onion skin in the timeline. When you think you are on the third last frame, copy the first frame and paste it in on the last by making some gap in between. Now adjust the onion skin to the last frame and draw the in-betweens. Delete the frame using Shift plus F5. Now the legs and torso are complete. Now let's draw the hands frame by frame. To draw hands, select the frame and draw the hands. Now the main thing is left, that is head. Head cycle is very easy. Before the head cycle, adjust the frames by adding frames in between using F5. To draw head cycle, create a new layer and place it above our layer, then draw the head in the first frame. Then create the head cycle by adjusting every frame. To get to the next frame, use F6. Now you can repeat the cycle by copying and pasting. And our walk cycle is half complete. To get a moving background like Alan Becker, take a snap of the desktop. To do this, simply click Alt plus Print Screen button next to F12. Then make a new layer and place it in the bottom. Paste the snap here. Select the image and press Q to change its size. Then in the Properties panel, change the size to 1920 into 1080p resolution. Adjust the image. To create a motion in the image, head up to the last and insert a copy of the keyframe by F6. Adjust the image as per you want the motion. Now create motion tween. Well, in my opinion, motion tween is not that good, so remove the tween and create classic tween. It is the best. So here it is done. And now adjust the size. You can do it yourself because I know you're not that dumb. And here it is done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe or Corona would be on you ass.